Hey skincare lovers! Want radiant, glowing skin without breaking the bank? Let's dive into the magical world of rice water. It's easy to make, super effective, and perfect for anyone looking to elevate their skincare game. How to use rice water on your face. 1. A facial rinse. After cleansing your face, pour rice water into a bowl. Use your hands to splash the rice water onto your face, or dip a cotton pad into the water and apply it to your skin. Gently massage the water into your skin for a minute. Let your skin air dry or lightly pat with a clean towel. Follow up with your regular moisturizer. 2. Rice water toner. After cleansing, pour a small amount of rice water onto a cotton pad. Gently swipe the cotton pad across your face and neck, focusing on areas with enlarged pores or uneven texture. Let it dry naturally and then apply your moisturizer or serum. This toner helps to tighten your skin and shrink those pesky pores. 3. Rice water face mask. You'll need 1 tablespoon of rice water and 1 tablespoon of honey or aloe vera gel. Mix them together to create a mask. Apply the mixture to your face evenly. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. This mask hydrates, brightens, and soothes your skin. 4. For those annoying dark spots or acne scars, use rice water as a spot treatment. Dip a cotton swab in rice water and apply it directly to any dark spots, acne scars, or areas of hyperpigmentation. Let it dry and leave it on overnight for more intensive treatment. Rinse off in the morning. Now let's talk benefits. 1. Rice water brightens skin. The vitamins and minerals help improve your complexion and even out your skin tone. It also minimizes pores. 2. Rice water tightens the skin, reducing the appearance of large pores. 3. It soothes irritation. The anti-inflammatory properties calm redness and irritation, making it perfect for sensitive skin. 4. Regular use improves texture, making your skin feel smoother and more refined. 5. Its anti-aging benefits. The antioxidants in rice water help fight free radicals, potentially reducing signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. So, DIY skincare lovers, give rice water a try. It's a natural, effective way to elevate your skincare routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Catch you next time.